Hello everyone, I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com, here to help you understand and use the idiom straight from the horse's mouth. Straight from the horse's mouth. Before we begin, let's define what an idiom is. An idiom is an expression with a meaning that might not seem obvious from simply looking at the words in the expression. So back to our idiom, straight from the horse's mouth. What does this idiom mean? It means directly from the person involved. Directly from the person involved. Now, let's practice using the idiom straight from the horse's mouth in 3 sentences. Listen to what happened straight from the horse's mouth. His factory burned down right in front of his eyes. I don't believe the rumors are true, so I'm going to ask her and hear it straight from the horse's mouth. I know for a fact that they are getting married because I heard it straight from the horse's mouth. Can you think of any opportunities that you had where you could have used the idiom straight from the horse's mouth? Put it in the comments. Let's talk. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get notifications about new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.